Okay. I
What?
should be going.
Kids.
Unless, you know, Tibble titties. But I watched it go on, so it shouldn't be off.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be dum-dum.
Shouldn't be dum-dum.
Should be cum-cum-bum-dum. Hum-bum.
Oh, Vigil. Look at this guy. Oh, okay, more Vigil's not there anymore.
10 seconds to go.
He's gonna...
5 seconds before
And then... Get it!
proceed to bomb's location
Yeah.
and defuse it.
You gotta somehow... You gotta sometimes, you know... drone stuff and things. Gotta hide from them.
Orville.
Hmm?
Alright,
I'm trying to get to,
we have to rape.
yeah.
We literally have to rape Oryx. Or not Oryx, what the hell? Selects. Alibi. We have to
Do we
try
have,
our absolute hardest against these guys. No,
We don't have...
there's no point. So,
What are you looking at, Circle?
let's go up here. I'm
Wait,
gonna
wait,
go.
what? Hold on, I gotta look at them.
Look at that stick.
He's a nice boy.
I'm sick.
Hmm? Wait, you died? Oh.
No, I didn't die.
I thought this guy was an enemy.
We're just already losing players to
I'm gonna go,
Penis.
Oh, that's so cool! I didn't even see you. That's good. Stop. You're gonna try to kill me and stuff, and it's not gonna be nice.
We can push forward!
Stop that.
You have dropped the diffuser.
Oh.
I don't know what to do. Upstairs or downstairs?
That thing is downstairs.
They're everywhere.
Yeah, so let's go. Yes. Okay, down those stairs should be Capcan.
1 op 4
Oh.
remaining.
Okay.
Okay.
Kate is
The
somewhere.
diffuser is now secured.
Oh, it's Cade.
Whoa. Oh.
Op 4 eliminated.
Ooh. 4K. It was
Almost
a
an
4K,
ace.
but it was almost.
Almost an ace.
Oh, that was crazy. Alright. Alright, it's still recording. Good. Just checking. Making sure. Oh, Jesus.
Cheese.
Lord Jeebus. Ugh. You know,
Alright, I'm gonna see what the game gives me. What are you saying?
I don't know. I just really appreciate the fact that we can make videos now because we've
Yeah.
been like wanting to do YouTube for a while now.
Yeah.
And it's like we
I've
did
always
the
had
streaming.
that like little thought.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I have
maybe.
like a whole bunch of old vlog YouTube channels
Use your drone to
that are
locate
just
the
full
bomb.
of stupid shit. And my mom showed me one of them, and I was like, ugh. Oh my god, it hurts. It pains me to see this.
I feel very
You know, we're actually making okay
Advise your drone has located a
videos
bomb.
in my eyes. You know,
Yeah.
we're not sitting here being super like weird. Like
Oh.
Drone has located a
one
bomb.
thing we have to do is that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a YouTube
10
channel.
seconds.
No.
'Cause
I'm
we're really
not
missing
doing that.
out on that
I can't bring myself to
5
go.
seconds before
Hey,
What's up, guys?
proceed to bomb's location.
like I'm
and
very
defuse it.
happy to do this, but
We need to have like a really
I just don't wanna
catchy
do that.
name, like Zipper Boy 7000.
Zipper boy.
you know, 'cause that's just
Or like,
that's what everyone yearns for. That's what everyone yearns for at the end of the day, you know.
yearns.
Yearns.
Alright, hold on. Get out, I'm, oh, look at that. Little drum man. Are they downstairs again? Yeah, okay.
Yup.
Guaranteed I'm gonna die in this hallway. Oh, look at that.
See you on the other side. Setting traces someone. Knock, knock.
Oh shit! What the? Oh my god! You blend in so much. It's just so unfair.
Alright, I hope that works.
It might not.
Oh, look at that, look at that drone.
Look at that drone. Look at it.
Drone ready.
There's a guy to your immediate right in the corner.
Okay, we're good.
Enemy located. Basement.
Wait, what? Right corner.
When you walk through that door, they're gonna be. They're like, yeah, in that corner.
No!
Ooh, the foo!
What the?
Go back. Just go back. He's got you.
What
Fucking.
the? Where am I?
Stop spinning. Holy shit.
It's scary. And where did that guy come from?
I don't know.
I should have saved that. And where's the drone? Where's he? I don't know where he is.
Online and active.
And I can't. Everyone knows. I trust him more than me. I trust him more than me. Pistols only.
Down to one
Fuck.
friendly.
No.
He's not coming from there.
Where you? Oh.
Oh,
Four
oh my god,
neutralized.
he literally let him defuse because he was like not sure. That would have made me so sad.
Yeah.
Like he was moving so unsurely. Surely.
No, Sherry's the
Shirley.
guy from Nutjob.
Oh. I thought it was like the guy in Britain who solves crimes.
No, it's the guy from
Holmes?
Nutjob.
Shirley House. Shirley Holmes. I feel like last names are really weird. Like they're not, but they kind of are.
Okay, who made up last names though? Like how are last names
Yeah.
made?
Yes.
And if we all came from the same person, like you know how the
Why
Bible's
would they
like,
ever?
oh, Adam and Eve. Why would we not all have the
We
same
need to locate a bomb.
last name? Wait a minute.
Yeah. Why are all of our names not Garrison? Because you know, it was Adam Garrison.
Adam.
you
Garrison.
know. Adam Garrison and Eve Garrison.
Okay, I'm gonna be confusing me.
You know. Like, alright. Did Adam and Eve even have last names though?
I don't even know.
Like,
10 seconds.
cause who was sitting
Because
there?
they
Who was
just
sitting
kn-
there?
they're
They're
just
like, they're
normally
staring at
named
their
Adam-
little
Adam and Eve.
newborn baby.
Insertion in
They're
5 seconds.
looking into the eyes of their newborn baby, and they're saying,
Your mission is to locate and
yeah,
defuse the bomb.
little John. John
No.
just isn't enough for you. I'm gonna,
It's not John. I
I'm
can't remember.
I'm gonna give
Isn't
you
it
another
like
name.
Cain and Abel or something like that? Isn't that the people like try
Huh?
aren't like Cain and Abel the people who try to kill each other? Like the siblings that try to kill each other or something like that?
Bomb has been located.
I thought Cain and Abel
Judge.
was like, I thought that was like a cable company. I don't know what you're talking about. Try to fucking kill each other. That's a fucking cable company.
Cain and Abel. What's he able to do?
Scaring me with all these noises you're making, Cody.
You're scaring me.
Don't be.
There's
No,
grenade
you're
holes.
scaring.
It's fine. Don't talk. I'll watch behind you. How'd you die?
So, he kills me.
Yeah.
But even though I was shooting him through the wall,
Oh
and
boy.
he was shooting me through the wall,
Ugh.
and I shot him a lot more than he shot me, I died.
The diffuser is no longer in your possession.
Yeah.
That's just.
Come on, Twitch.
One friendly operator
Okay.
remaining.
You know,
There goes him. Confused.
sometimes
What?
when I meet kids in my school or just like anywhere,
Yeah.
I feel like God should have been more picky. You know, I'm just. It pains me to see people that are like that. I don't know. I just. God should have been more picky.
What do you mean? With the people that he made? Or
The diffuser has been recovered.
what the fuck are you?
He
What do you mean?
should have gave it. He should have gave it a second thought before he was like, "Yes, give it life, put it on Earth."
Like, give me a
Fucking put
prime
this one on the
example
moon.
of this. Yeah, don't put that thing there.
You have dropped the diffuser. The diffuser is now
Oh, this guy's
secured.
confused where the bomb is. Well,
You must
We
recover
lost.
the diffuser.
All right,
The
man.
diffuser has been secured. 15 seconds left.
All right, there you go. Have you figured it out?
10 seconds
wait,
left.
I'm proud of you.
5 seconds left.
hold on. Wait, hold on. Hold on.
All friendlies
Hold
have
on.
been eliminated.
Hold on. Hold
Hold
on. He's
on.
not done planning. He's
not
not
done
done
yet.
planning.
He's
Give
planning
him
on
time. He's not done.
He's not done yet.
Wait!
Start getting really aggressive.
Hold off. Yeah. I don't know. I'm trying to think. Like the first person to think of incest. God should have been a little bit more picky. Or
Wait,
like
Adam and Eve. Little kids.
the
okay?
person who invented
first.
anal beads should have been a little bit.
What are you talking
He was
about?
like, "Alright,
Those
alright,
are-
alright."
That's the daily hobby.
You know those bead necklaces? Alright.
Secure the bombs.
I want to make one
Let's
of
make
those.
him. Let's make him get thicker.
But for my ass. I want you to make me bead necklaces for my ass. How would that work? I don't fucking care. You will you will literally design it for me to
Op
just
4 has
literally
located a
shove it
bomb.
in my
Be
ass.
ready for assault.
I don't care. I want bead necklaces for my ass. Oh, okay. It's like 10 minutes
heard the
later,
man?
he comes back and he's like,
10 seconds left.
Here.
I really don't know. Are you
5
sure?
seconds.
He's like, I'm fucking sure. Just takes down his pants, literally slides
Op 4 has
every
located a bomb.
last
Be
bead
ready
in
for
there,
hostile action.
and like doesn't fully understand how it works and shoves it beyond the point of return. He's just like staring at the guy who just gave it to him. He's like, all right, now what? I don't know.
Nah, where?
Secure the wall!
Nah, I'm truly fashionable.
One day he's going to take a shit a couple years after. You know, just
The beats came out. Oh. Fucking nice. Why can't everyone have access to these? And let's keep making them better manufactured. Okay, I'm not sure.
not do that one. That's a little dangerous.
You will be detected if you remain in this area.
I was looking at
You
the
have been
window.
spotted by hostiles. Fall back.
Let's make me too.
Oh.
Standing.
Oh, what the fuck?
Found it. I'm gonna check on the cameras. Oh,
Op 4 eliminated. Mission successful.
I shot the crap out of her, but that's fine. I don't really care.
I got it.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Oh
She
no.
flipped over.
Oh no. You got Cain enabled.
What the hell happened with Cain and Abel?
I don't know. Those were the first two siblings to realize they could have sex.
Yeah. If Adam and Eve... all sex is just incest if Adam and Eve are real.
No. I don't know. I feel like the evolution theory is right, but I feel like it was helped. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
there
a lot
was
of
something-
people actually think that, like, that Adam and Eve were just put here randomly. Like, a lot of things had to go right for evolution to take us into
Yeah,
now.
like there was something assisting Earth into its.
Secure the
I
bomb.
want that tadpole. That tadpole. To furiously
I want these
fuck.
two. I want these two specific tadpoles to kill each other. Why?
Yeah.
I fucking hate them. This piece of shit.
These two,
He,
right?
oh my fuck.
Op 4 has
Oh,
located a bomb.
don't
Be
get
ready
me
for
He
started.
is
assault.
advancing for her.
They're all just kind of looking at him like,
What's it called? The the Iron Man thing where it's like
Slow them down.
the Iron Man meme.
Bomb located by Op
I can't shoot this thing. Okay, there we
Meme.
go.
Where it's stay down. Final warning. Every
Yeah.
time I see that picture, I think of this one where it was like, man gets struck by lightning, like, twice in the same year.
Oh yeah.
And it's like, God, stay down. Final warning.
There was one where it was it was like this guy got coronavirus and then like a week later he got it again. And it was like, you know, SpongeBob. I don't want to call him Poseidon, but I don't know what his name
King Neptune.
is. King Neptune, yeah. What the hell is going on?
Op 4, last stop standing.
Okay.
Op 4 eliminated.
Look.
Mission successful.
King Neptune, it was just a picture of him saying it was funny. It was even funnier the second time.
That's so messed up. Like, oh, that was funny. But it was even funnier the second time. Guy's like sitting there just why? It's just fucking off dying and shit. Damn. That's really messed up.
It is.
That wasn't even funny. No.
Oh my god!
Fucking emotional.
This is why
Emotional and shit. 63% chance. Let's see if I get home. Oh, Cody, guess what? Guess what?
You
I
didn't
didn't
get it?
fucking get it. Alright.
I have a 52% chance right now.
Yeah, I think that's good for the video.